This week, I really want to focus on how we can support the body to protect it against Alzheimer's, because I saw that the Office of National Statistics in the UK, the ONS, has reported that the leading cause of death in the UK in 2022 was dementia and Alzheimer's, and 60 to 80% of dementia is Alzheimer's. So what can we do to help protect the body from this terrible disease? Well, first and foremost, of course, I want to talk about how we should take care of the gut microbiome, because some studies are beginning to suggest and show that those with Alzheimer's have a less diverse range of beneficial bacteria. I talk a lot about the importance of having a really robust and diverse gut microbiome. We can look at this and test for this with stool testing. But how you go about taking care of that, first and foremost, is ensuring that you have a really diverse plant-based intake. Plenty of vegetables, herbs and spices predominantly. You should be aiming for 40 different plant foods every single week, and 10 a day, predominantly from vegetables, with just a little bit of fruit because of the sugar content.